How to create a YouTube channel? First, you need to register a Gmail account in gmail.com. Create a account in gmail.com. Then open youtube.com. Using Gmail account, create a channel in YouTube. So already I have created a Gmail account. The mail account is sapcodigital@gmail.com. So I am going to create a channel youtube.com. In the right side on your account icon, click that and use create a channel option, and it will ask the name of the channel and handle. So my YouTube channel is Sapcode Digitals, and handle to identify the channel Sapcode Digitals. So you want to, whatever you want to create, you can give the name and you can create the handle. Handle is unique for all, so you need to select unique name and click the create channel. So channel is created. So you can customize the channel. If you want to customize the channel, click the customize channel, and you have manage videos option. And right now you don't have any content in this channel. So if you want to create a first video, use create option. So I'm going to customize the channel. Click the customize channel, and you are moving into the YouTube studio. Here your channel name Sapcode Digitals, and you can upload your banner image, and you can upload the picture whatever you want to show for your channel. And if you want to change the name and you want to change the handles, just update here. And if you want to update the description, what you are producing in this channel, what you are adding the videos content in this channel, you can provide the information here. So I am adding the description for this channel. So this is my channel description. Welcome to Sapcode Digitals, and providing the tutorials for programming language, cloud technology, AI tools, and installation process of different services tools. So I have provided the basic information. I have added the keywords. So these keywords will be helpful to list your channel name in the search option. So when someone is using the search option, so your channel name will come in the list, and your videos also, content also list in the search results. So this is your channel URL. This is unique. You can't change this URL. It will be generated automatically. And if you have your own website, you can add the link, or if you have any profile URL, just you can add here. And if you have any email ID, you can add here. So I'm updating my email ID because someone will contact you based on your content. So that will be helpful. If you have any video watermark, that will show here. Just you need to add your video watermark here. So it will appear in this right side bottom. And after changing of all the modifications, and you can click publish. So that's all to create a YouTube channel. And if you are going to the channel page, it will show like this, and your description will show here like this. And if you want to create any YouTube video content, you can upload here. And that's all for this session.